something of interest for most of our viewers, but remember, there's always someone that's never done this and maybe wants to have a few tips on how to do it. So, putting it on the channel anyway. Anyways, step number 1, you want to warm the car up. That means you should take it for at least a 10-minute drive. Okay guys, now that you get the car warmed up, step number 2. I don't even know if this is absolutely necessary, but this is what they always tell you. Put your car all the way down into 1. Hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. 2. Drive. Overdrive. Neutral. Reverse. And park. Now have a little piece of paper towel with you. Leave the engine running. Pop the hood. Find your transmission dipstick. It's on this card right here. It's got a little lock on it. Pull that lock. Pull it out. Set the camera down. Pull it out. Wipe it off. Back in. Just let it set for a second. Pull it back out. And you'll have your level. Now you can see mine's right up to full mark. It's right about where it should be. It's not too much, not too little. It's right where it's supposed to be when it's hot, so I'm good. Anyway, it's that simple. If it has to be low, just add a little at a time. Take it back out and drive it. Come back, do the same thing, check it again until you're on the. Even if you're down a little tiny bit, it's fine. Try not to overfill it. Anyway, guys, it's just a quick how-to on checking your transmission fluid. Alright, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.